Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to talk about a very interesting method which can help and boost your fluency to another level. Who doesn't like new stuff, exciting stuff, which can help in your language journey? It doesn't need to be necessarily in English, it can be in any language whatsoever, and it's fun, engaging, and I bet you have never heard of it. So I came across this YouTube channel. He actually is a polyglot, so he has a lot of experience under his belt while learning foreign languages. He now, I believe, speaks 9 active languages. I might be wrong, but that's what I remember. And he has a ton of great content, advice, and life experience in general. His name is Robin McPherson. I hope I pronounced his surname correctly. And I found one video which was very interesting to me. And he talked about his method. So he came up with this technique simply because he loves podcasts. So he's a huge lover of podcasts in all languages because he uses podcasts to learn a language as well. What he does is he picks his favorite podcast and he looks for a question that is not too short to answer, but you can tell a story in a way. And that's kind of a key. It's not, you shouldn't be looking for a question which is yes or no. It should be something. For example, he mentioned, what is your morning routine? So you're probably gonna give quite a few details about what happens in the morning, what do you do, maybe you start frying eggs for breakfast every single morning, or you get your cup of coffee first, because every single person has a routine. And this question can help you build that fluency you might be missing. And another interesting thing is you're not only answering this question once, but you actually answer this question 7 days a week. So every single day you perfect your answer. Monday you may have said, I did this, blah, 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 blah. And then maybe by Wednesday you start adding up more details, or you find extra synonyms to describe certain moment, what you do. So it gives you tools to build that perfect answer of yours. And imagine if someone is gonna come and ask, so what do you do in the morning? Do you have a routine? It's very likely to come very natural out of your mouth. So it's not going to be a very robotic answer, but because you have practiced for 7 days and you looked for ways to improve your previous answer, it's probably gonna be extremely natural and extremely fluent. And that's the key. Of course, you can pick extra questions if you have extra 10 or 15 minutes every single day. But for those especially who don't have anyone to talk in their targeted language, for example English, it's a great method to boost your fluency and confidence. Of course, you're gonna ask me, so how do I know I don't make mistakes? Well, you need to rewatch your videos and see what did you do wrong. Maybe you misplaced a word, or you used the wrong grammar sentence. Write these things down, and when the next day comes along, you just simply correct it. And it gives you tools to work on your confidence as well, because it's only you, so there is no judgment whatsoever. No one is gonna come and say you did this wrong or you said this wrong. And again, if you're not aware about maybe pronunciation, Google is your best friend. Simply Google how to pronounce this word and you can practice your pronunciation as well. Yes, it can be a little bit tricky, but it's highly, highly effective. And why don't you try it and give it a go? Let me know in the comments if you tried it after 1 week of work, and do you see or feel that your answer was much more natural, much more fluent, and most importantly, did it help you? Looking forward to hear from you and see you in the next video. Bye!